Well, it's too cold to paint yet. It's only like, it's less than 50. But at one point, there was a leak on the roof under this porch, and a couple of these deck boards got a little bit rotten. So while I'm waiting for it to warm up a little bit, I'm just going to pull those two out. I have one out already. Stick a couple new ones in. If I have enough room, I want to put a swing on the end of the porch. And this is at the local Amish furniture maker. Just a couple miles from where we live in Kentucky. All right, rotten deck boards gone. New ones in. Just gotta trim the end. And it's warming up beautifully. It's getting a little breezy, but I am going to try and paint with the sprayer up in this underside of the porch. It's supposed to be in the 70s the next 3 days. So it's now or never. Here's a look before on the right and after on the left. You can see I left a little bit of green on there, and it's got several coats of lacquer on it, so it won't come off. But I love the fact that I got some of the rust off and got back to the tin. One of the things I gotta do ahead of time is get rid of this rotten fascia board. It's just a trim board on the outside, which I think I'm gonna leave off and have those rafters exposed. It'll sure be better than having that rotten thing on there. They build them on site, harvest the wood. I'm not sure what kind I want. First of all, I gotta make sure it fits. So, just looking at all these. I think I like that better with the ends of the rafters exposed. I'll probably just paint it, leave it exposed, and then if it looks kind of goofy after that, I can always add a board. Looks like this one with that center console is $285. Oh, it folds down and it folds back up. Oh. Well, that is the first coat, and it really only took me a half an hour. And this is a 30-foot long porch, probably by, I don't know, 10 to spray. So it really didn't take long at all. It was easy to use. My arm got a little sore, but only because I had to reach up. I didn't get that extension, which would have been nice. So how did I clean them? Well, I started with this. Did several soakings, I think maybe 3. And then I went at it with some steel wool. So to get some of the punch marks open, the longer ones, I just put some tape on the end of a screw and just use the screw head. It did leave quite a few drips along as I was going, and it could have been my technique or the fact that I was pretty much doing it upside down. But I got all the posts painted along with it. So it's breezy. It's about 65, gonna be up to 70. I just took my bunny suit off over there. Oh, sweating in that thing. All right, and this other one, yeah, that's more like it. All right, that is the second coat, and that's where I'm leaving it. So that pretty much wraps it up. Got a lot of cleaning to do, but I definitely like the color better than that brown, and I like the white post instead of brown. I ended up using the sprayer on the lattice, but I did not do that on the boards that I rolled on with a roller. Now, I could have gotten a roller for the airless, but I didn't. So that should be the final time that I tell you that I'm done with my porch. You know, after it was sitting there for so long, and I had no idea the rehab was going to be that extensive, or I would have just waited, but I think I'm kind of glad I had a chance to do it again.